morning, guys. All right, so we're going to really quickly read a book about Abraham Lincoln, and this is what we call a biography. And a biography is just a nonfiction book about a person's life. So this is all about Abraham Lincoln's life. It says, My story. I was born in a cabin in 1809, so he grew up in a log cabin. I didn't go to school, but I was smart and I liked to read. I taught myself the law. What would you like to teach yourself? I liked books. I liked the Bible and plays by Shakespeare the best. So he was always reading. I fell in love with Mary Todd. I married her and we had 4 sons, but only one lived to be an adult. So they lost a lot of children when they were young, which was really sad. I became a politician. I was an elected president. Would you ever want to be president? Why or why not? America was divided over slavery. The South fought the North, and it was the Civil War. So all these countries up here fought the countries that were down below. I wanted the war to be meaningful. I worked to keep America united. I worked to free slaves. I wanted all men to be equal. As the war was ending, John Wilkes Booth killed me. I was a great president. I kept America united, and I helped free the slaves. What would you like? Okay, so here's our timeline. So you can see that he was born in 1809. In 1842 is when he married Mary Todd. In 1860 is when he became president and did the Emancipation Proclamation. And then in 1865 is when he passed away or died. And then we have a glossary. So these are some words that you might not have recognized in the book. Politician is a person elected to government. Slavery means the owning of other people. The North was the states and the northeastern unit that did not have slaves, and the South was the states in the Southeast that did have slaves. What you're going to do now is that you guys are going to get connect to Seesaw, and you are actually going to think about President Abraham Lincoln. And Abraham Lincoln, a lot of times when we look at him, everybody thinks of the pictures of him with his tall hat. So just like this, his tall hat, he always had a tall hat, and he was so tall that it made him look even taller. So what you're going to think about is you're going to get to actually tell me, if you had that tall hat, what would you put inside that hat? You keep things in there. And then you're going to draw a picture in Seesaw of what you would keep inside Abraham Lincoln's hat. All right, guys, I am so excited to see what you might think you want to keep in his hat. Great job. I'll see you later.